Welcome to RobinAI training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to add API keys in AI settings section. Go to the left menu and click on AI settings section. Now you are on AI settings section. Click on Sign up for OpenAI key. You are on OpenAI main page. Click on Sign up option. Enter your email address. Click on Continue. Now create password for your account. Open your Gmail account and click on Link. By clicking on Link your account will be verified by OpenAI. Now enter all required details. Enter your mobile number. Enter OTP of your phone number. Click on Continue to Account. Now your account is created on OpenAI. Click on View API Keys. Click on Generate Secret Key option. Copy the API key. Now paste API key in AI settings section and click on Add button. And your OpenAI keys saved successfully. Thanks for watching the video.